Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. In this episode, I thought I'd do something a little different and give you some tips on how to save money whenever you buy something online using the Honey app and browser extension. Honey allows you to get discounts on online purchases such as hotel bookings and flights on Agoda, or save while shopping from home on sites like Amazon. Before using the Honey app, make sure that their awards program is available in your country of residence. Currently, the app is available to people from the US, Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, India, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, and other countries in Europe. Remember, if you're traveling abroad away from home, you can still use the app whenever you make an online booking or buy something from a website. Earn cashback rewards using Honey coupon codes at over 700 stores online. After accumulating enough points, you can redeem the points for gift cards. Also, if you're from the US, then you have the option to redeem the points for PayPal shopping vouchers. Another way to earn money with Honey is by referring friends. Invite people to Honey using your referral code, and you get rewarded when they sign up and make their first purchase. For example, if 2 of your referred friends sign up and buy something online using Honey, then you can claim a $10 gift card. So what are the actual conversion rates? 100 points equals $1. As you can see in my account here, I have accumulated over 6,900 points so far. Therefore, I can redeem this amount for nearly $70 worth of gift cards. The gift card options will vary depending on which country you're from. Here are some examples of gift cards currently available for people from the United States. Now, to use Honey on your computer, you need to install the Honey browser extension. Search for the extension in your browser settings and install it. Then, once you have it installed, you can start earning points whenever you buy something online. Before placing any order, make sure to activate the Honey rewards in your web browser first. For example, when booking a hotel on Agoda, I go to the top right-hand corner of the browser, click the small Honey icon, and then click the button to activate the awards. Then I can book the hotel and claim the cashback rewards later on once everything has been processed. As you can expect, the points will add up over time with all of your other online purchases throughout the year. And by installing the browser extension, you can start earning cash back right away. Anyway, if you guys found this helpful, please use the referral code and sign up for free with Honey. I'll leave the referral link in the video description and in the comment section. Enjoy your cash back and gift cards from Honey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.